Here's what you know. Information and data are the building blocks of your business. Data informs every decision and empowers your ability to grow. If the data says business is good and heading in the right direction, you should keep forging ahead, right? Not necessarily. Because here's what you don't know. You don't know if the online data you've been using to build your business is complete, or for that matter, if it's even correct. If you don't have quality data, then your foundation on which everything depends becomes unreliable or unstable. Productivity, customer satisfaction, and profits will falter. The reason is simple. The data you need for a healthy business isn't necessarily information others want you to have. By identifying your IP address, they can block you from getting to it, trick you by providing bad or misleading information, or keep an eye on your data harvesting activities. None of these are good outcomes. Now, here's what we know. By using Anonymizer's Ion solutions, you gain access to tens of thousands of misattributed IP addresses via our patented intelligent IP rotation technology, giving you unfettered and unlimited access to all of the online information your business needs. Ion even allows you to gather data from encrypted websites, no matter how many times you visit or how deeply you drill. Ion breaks through every single roadblock put in your way. Make sure you'll never be tricked into believing bad information again, and disguises your harvesting software to even the most diligent surveillance. With simple integration with any industry or third-party scraping tools, as well as any open source or homegrown script, Ion ensures that the data you're gathering is complete, correct, and reliable. So, now you know. Stay ahead of the competition and don't let bad data get in the way of progress. Let Ion by Anonymizer be your trusted partner in discovering the information you need. Contact us for a free trial or more information. Visit us at anonymizer.com or email us at solutions@anonymizer.com.